Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone is okay. We need to talk about a lot of things about the market, what we are going to invest after the Bitcoin reset, if it resets, but I hope that it will. That's what I think at least. Before that, I need to talk to you about a couple of things, something very important. In the last couple of months, I was rejected by several projects for the simple fact that I don't have enough subscribers. Now, as you can see, here, this is my YouTube analytics. 60%, almost 60% of you are not subscribed. So if you could honor me with pressing the subscribe button, I could get more insight into the projects. I could bring you interviews from projects, whether that be Elrond or will be built on Elrond, and we could make this channel much more interesting with more info for you, with more discounts for you, with affiliate links, so on. You know how it works. So if you like the channel, if you like the content, press the subscribe button because you help me a lot and you help yourself with it, not just me. So on Elrond Wiki, you can see that a lot of things are happening. Some projects are building on Elrond network. I'm still waiting for a bigger breakthrough, let's say, for a bigger project. Holoride was one of them, obviously, but we have another one as well, and that is Krogan. Now I will talk about Krogan in a second. There are still some NFTs for sale. The minting is live below the floor price, but before that we need to talk about the market, because and this is the German index. Bitcoin is at the 41,600. The crypto fear and greed is an extreme fear, and it was a very interesting picture that last time this year when Bitcoin was at the 40,000, the fear and greed index was in extreme greed. Now we are afraid that Bitcoin will drop and everything goes into the bear market and it will not go up. And obviously this is a valid fear because we are not doing a higher low. And that is worrying. Now, as I said many times, for me, this is still the bull market for the simple fact, nobody is loading down the Bitcoin into the exchanges. Nobody is trying to get rid of the exchanges. It is visible on the on-chain data that the bigger whales, the bigger wallets are more or less accumulating or not doing anything. But the most important thing is that they are not selling. I could go into the trading analysis, which I don't really see it relevant or important right now. What I see here is something we saw here. So let me get the brush, something like here. As you can see, we had a big low, just like here. And after that, we went up. So maybe it's this point, I don't know. We are lower again, and we went lower than the bottom before, let's say in the micro trades. And now it's probably that we will see something like this, and maybe we will go up from there. It is not for certain, obviously, it is not guaranteed. This is what I'm expecting, because people went on holidays, everybody spent their money, they don't have money. January's salary is taking very long because everybody got their salary in mid-December. So yeah, people need to pay their bills. So we might see some pump in February. Until then, if there will be no offload by the bigger wallets, we will probably go sideways. This is what I see. From Elrond, I don't really see anything different. We will go sideways, maybe we will dip a bit more. As I said, for me, the 160, 150 is the very low part where I think the price will be caught by the buyers. I can see on Twitter that a lot of people are buying the dip, which is very good. Right now, what I'm doing is I'm buying cheap NFTs. Now, let's go forward and check what I brought to you, because we have a game which is a wannabe Sidus, but it is going to be built on Elrond. I will share with you what is it about and what are my concerns. Nevertheless, I minted some NFT just to be sure that I don't miss out. Also, I brought you another project which is not interesting, it's impressive how small it is based on how big fan base it has. Let's go forward and discuss these two. So what I talked about is the play to earn game Krogan. Krogan is a spaceship battle explorer game, and the pre-sale minting is live. Now my concern is that I mean, the people, they were not rushing to mint all the NFTs. As you can see, the level 1, 2, and 3 are still available to mint. So if you want to mint, you need to pay a total of 0.84 Elrond for 2 NFTs. And yeah, you can decide which one you want to mint. I minted the level 4 because I found out about this a bit late. To be honest, I wasn't checking in the weekend anything. Therefore, I missed out on the higher levels. What is important with these spaceships? The small ones, they are faster, they are good for exploring, they are cheaper, obviously, so on, so on. The bigger ones, they can carry people and cargo, and they are much harder to destroy. Therefore, these are a very good, I don't know, rocket ships or ships to explore a planet after you made sure with the level 1 or level 2 ships that it's safe to go there with your big cargo and your expensive ship. Now, this is what is about the rocket ship here. I do have a couple of concerns. One of them is that the team is only consists of 4 people. There are 4 Romanian people who are living in Amsterdam. They are here since last year May, which is a very good thing, but I couldn't find any tokenomics anywhere. Now, they did say that 50% of the tokens will go, or more than 50% will go as a reward. We don't see whether this is a hard cap or not, probably not, but even if it's not, which is not a problem, if it's deflationary. If it's not deflationary, there is still a lot of use, and it is possible to make this a very good economical strategy with the tokens. Now, we don't have that information. We don't know how many tokens they will have. We don't know almost anything, which is not the best. They say that the tokenomics will be listed on Medium, and I can't wait to see it so we can cover it, because yeah, tokenomics is one of the most important things in a project's life, let's say. As you can see, they say details about the tokenomics will be explained here on Medium blog. And if I click on Medium blog and it would load, then yeah, nothing. This doesn't make the project bad, but yeah, still a lot of information which are missing. So make your own research, decide for yourself whether you want to mint an NFT or not. For me, yeah, this is okay. I can play with this amount of money or this amount of coin just to make sure that I don't miss out any big gain. I am willing to risk it. Now everyone should decide for themselves whether they want to risk it or not. Regarding the roadmap, in Q2 2022 there will be an alpha testing. Before that we have a release in Q1, obviously that is until March. There will be a Krogan token airdrop after the NFT sale, so I hope that everyone who has NFT, they will get some tokens. As this is on an Elrond network, you need Maiar or Elrond web wallet or the extension, Maiar extension wallet to mint the tokens, and the token airdrop, I guess, will be sent to your Elrond address. After that, the marketplace, the first marketplace will be released. I guess that there will be, I don't know, some selling and buying of the ships and probably other things as well, because you will need for the game other stuff like tools and there will be, I think, skins and weapons and upgrades for the ships. In the Q2, infrastructure planning, software integration, access to early testers. Now this will be a very important part, because usually when the game is released, it's full of bugs. The demo is not as people were expecting it, so the price should go down a bit. But if the team is good and they continue working on it and they continuously develop, then probably this won't stop anyone from making a big gain. Maybe that will be a good time to buy. Now let's go forward. In these types of market, everything is boring, everything is down, and people don't really want to buy anything because we don't know whether we are going to go up or we are going to go down. Now this is understandable, but what if Bitcoin just decides to go up here, and before you know, every coin will start to rally as well? Now we don't know that, right? So in these times, it's the best opportunity to make some dollar cost average. And this is why I'm saying all the time that you shouldn't jump in one project. Now, the next one which I'm gonna buy, there are two projects actually. One is with lower risk, one is with higher risk. The lower risk is Remark, for example, because Remark already did some pretty good gains, and now it is down, but obviously has a very big fan base. And now at $25, I don't say it's a bargain, but it is a pretty good price. The all-time high before was 59, so 2x is yeah, it's pretty easy for this project if the market resets. That's very important. The other one from which I will buy more, because I like to risk more. I can risk more in order to gain more, is THETAN ARENA. THETAN ARENA has a market cap of $300 million. Now it is on the rank of 2,800 something, but what is much more important is that it's on 842,000 people's watch list. And if we go on their Twitter account, you will be able to see that they have 360,000 followers. A project which has this many followers, and as you can see on their website, more than 19 million players, usually is not on the rank of 2000 something. Usually it's very high. It's something like Axie Infinity. That is, it's this project or this game or whatever it is, because it's not only a game, it's in Axie Infinity's level from my point of view. Therefore, this is still this is a bargain. Comparing to Remark, if I would need, and I will invest in both of them, then this is the higher stake where I put. I think this is the big gainer, and if everything goes on and this game will perform as it should perform, then I think that it will go to the moon, as they write it here. In the meantime, if you are looking to invest in other coins, I would invest in Exceed Me. Now I don't invest anymore in it because I already have. I catch the bottom. I'm in 2x with it. Therefore, I'm pretty okay with my position. I will leave it like that. But Exceed Me is also, how should I say, shows that coins and projects which have utility and they are used, they move usually. They move because people are gaining with them, not only profits, but maybe it's a play to earn. And as you know, Exceed Me is implementing many games, Call of Duty, for example, into them, and I think FIFA will be as well. And people can win Exceed Me tokens by playing and winning. Therefore, as you can see, Exceed Me in the last 7 days, it went up 27%. And that's very good, because other coins are pretty low. I mean, we have 8 Atom, for example, and we always have a couple of coins which are going up and down a bit, or maybe more, like a 20-30%, but Exceed Me is still considered a very small coin. It has a $35 million market cap, which is, comparing to THETAN ARENA, for example, it has 334 million. Therefore, Exceed Me, I think, is still a very good investment. It's still not at the all-time high. The all-time high was at 1.6. Now the price is at 0.45. So a 3x is very much in the cards here, and I hope that it will go up. I hope that it will go up because the team is very good and they are continuously implementing and developing. So this is all I wanted to talk about today. Thank you very much for watching. Please do smash the like button if you like the content, and if you are not subscribed yet, then hit that button as well. Thank you again, and see you tomorrow.